It's your boy again, Marvel, aka The Comeback. I've been receiving a lot of inboxes, Mzansi, and people are very keen. They want to know how I feel regarding a case of Operation Dudula by Luzile Court. In the Mzansi, 4:10, pa pa pa, in the hour. Yeah, so Mzansi, today I want to show you why I always encourage my fellow South Africans to focus on the means of production, economic freedom, manufacturing, and our land. For ukunibonisa imali eluthiwe la. Abangani baka Louis Leuenberg, uLL, abangani baka Ramaphosa la, abangani be-ANC, imali abayiluthile la South Africa. So far, mina I will not focus ebantwini abadayisa amatamati. I think nibonisa imali yangempela eluthiwe. Billions and billions. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour. But South Africans, before I give you the tour, I feel like Nati at some point regarding the foreigner issue or African issue, we need to be held accountable. Angazi ngibone isitolo sama Somalia esihlathini. Angazi. We are leasing our properties to labantu laba. So iSomalian malizolidayisa ama chips ama go slow abolile. Wena did you vet leyo muntu loyo? Umcheckile leyo muntu loyo? Ucheckile ukuthi does he comply with all the South African regulations before you gave him a contract to lease your property? Does he comply with pest control leyo muntu loyo on monthly basis? So now as South African, mele sikubheke sise kahle. Ngiyalazi ukuthi anilithanda ivare, but without wasting more time, let me give you guys a tour. You know how I feel Mzansi about shenanigans and corruption. Thinginibonisa corruption ngisemayini la yama diamonds, thinginibonisa. Ngiyabona ama trench la. Ba trench nescavator sasabola. Badlile baze bashiya nescavator la. Bahambe basuthi. Bashurini. Yeah, Mzansi. So if there's Lesotho nationals involved la kule project le ezamazama la, ngeke basuke Lesotho bazoyigubhela la. There's a South African in the mix. It's a South African ababonisile indlela ukuthi crime is okay in my country. Come ozolutha la. Crime is a norm in my country. Akekho umuntu oseLesotho uzofika le asuke Lesotho ozogubha la umhlaba wase South Africa ngaqala nge South Africa. Mangaba siyadudula siduduleni kwasani. Asiduduleni kwasani. There's no Lesotho crime here. There's no Zimbabwean crime. There's crime. South Africans are also committing crime. Mina noma ningangizonda ngizontshela ivara. Yabo ma trench. Hambile ama diamond. Imagine umntana makazodlala la wele la. Huh? Jesus. So la ilabe bahlala khona la. Ilabe bahlala khona. Bayishayela nebrayi la. They are very creative, na? Should be sekuphuthunwa noma khambo la nama toilet awili. Shiwe nama toilet. Ngoba bese kuphuthunwa. Mahlala kanjani ungaphuthuma uphethe diamond ufuna ukuyothengisa? Na iparking la. Ama CEO bowapaka la nama guest. Ha? Kumnandi South Africa. Kahle nje ithenda la. Badlile abantu la bashiye nemishini. Kazowane ke lo mshini. Hayi, siyabuya South Africa. South Africa. Kumnandi South Africa, ha? Corner to corner, coast to coast. Bawafuna kabi lama diamonds. Bagubha nanentaba.